Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. This is a great way to have your kits go even further. You can also check out our Shots of Life because it has more patterned paper and embellishments that coordinate with our flavors of the month. So let's dig in and take a closer look. We're going to start with the cardstock here. For the cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you'll receive 1 of one color and 2 of another. This is great if you like to do double page layouts with cardstock backgrounds, and then you can have them match. So for your cardstock, starting with Cardabellas Here, There, and Everywhere, you're going to get 2 sheets of goldenrod, 1 sheet of seafoam. You're going to have 2 sheets of aqua and 1 sheet of Blossom. Those goes with Paige Evans' Blooming Wild. For photoplay papers, Family Fun Night, you're going to get 2 sheets of the Classic Red, 1 sheet of the Sapphire Blue, and then Simple Story, Simple Vintage, Life in Bloom, you're going to get 2 sheets of Purple Palisades and 1 sheet of Sweetie Pie. So you can see they coordinate just perfectly. For your patterned paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So this is a great way to add more of those patterns in. I'm going to stack these up a little bit so they might be easier to pick up. So starting with Cardabella, Here, There, and Everywhere, we have this gorgeous floral on the black. The back is a white polka dot on pink. This paper is called Bright Floral. And we have a small little like wildflowers on the white. The back is a 2-toned pink and red stripe. This one is called Sweet Sprigs. From Paige Evans' Blooming Wild, we have this beautiful starburst. You could use this just the way it is or cut it apart. The back are all of these little cut aparts. These are always a lot of fun in her collections. This is paper number 22. So much options here for embellishments, all kinds of things you can do with that. And then we have this grid that's kind of the wonky lines. The back is a floral and greenery sprigs. This is paper number 5. For the photoplay paper, Family Fun Night, we have this, Sorry Not Sorry, which is all of the different game boards and the cards. It's a lot of fun. The back are the little pawn pieces that you use to move around on the games. This one's called Building Blocks, so it's Legos and the different colors. And the back is just a yellow Lego print. Love that. For the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage, Life in Bloom, we have this paper called Shine Bright, which is the butterflies. I just love that. The back is a typewriter print, so the little keys. Our other paper for that collection is this one, and it's the Journal Elements. I love these papers from them. Here's a calendar, lots of places that you can add your journaling in and use it as embellishments as well. The back is another gorgeous floral on the black with the little polka dots. So one more look at all of your patterned papers and the patterned paper add-on. There you go. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is always a lot of fun. So we'll start here with photoplay paper, Family Fun Night. You're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Let me get that up a little bit further. So the border is all of the little game pieces here, lots of little word labels, titles here. We have Good Times, Movie, Game Night, Fun, Fun Time, Family. Again, all of those fun little game boards and pieces. For the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage, Life in Bloom, you're going to get the page pieces here. So it's the full collection. So you're going to get all of these pieces and the example of how to do a double page layout with them. So everybody will get those. Super gorgeous. For the Paige Evans Blooming Wild, you're going to get half a pack of the chipboard frames. So these are a lot of fun. So you get this half or the other half. And then for Cardabella Here and There and Everywhere, You're going to get half a pack of the die cut pieces. Lots of little phrases and icons here that you can use for titles or subtitles and some banners. So those will vary among the kits and these will vary. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all of the other kits that we have available. Come on over to the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of fun challenges, prizes that you can win. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.